In this video we will see how to automatically exit all intraday positions at day end to avoid auto square off charges in Zerodha using Zerodha Kite Connect API. This is the auto square off timings and charges as available in Zerodha website. Auto square off charge of ₹50 plus 18% GST is applied for each order squared off by Zerodha. Hence, clients must close their open intraday positions before the square off time. First we will create a Python file. Then we will install the required Python packages. Then we will import the required Python packages. Then we will create a text file with the access token for Zerodha Kite Connect API. To generate access token, please refer my video on Automation of Zerodha Kite Connect API, Login Access Token Generation. Then we will create a text file with the API key for your Zerodha Kite Connect application. To get the API key, please refer my video on Automation of Zerodha Kite Connect API Access Token Generation. Now we will read the access token from the text file to a variable. Now we will read the API key from the text file to a variable. Then we will create a Kite Connect object with the request token in the API key. Then we will use the Kite Connect object and call the orders method to get the list of all orders placed for the day. We need to cancel all open MIS orders before exiting all open positions so that new positions are not entered after exiting open positions. Now we will loop through all the orders. For each order we will save order ID, status, product and variety to variables. Then we will cancel all open MIS orders by checking the order status, type and variety by using an if condition. Now we will use the Kite Connect object and call the positions method to get the list of positions. Then we will loop through all the positions. Then we will use an if condition to check for MIS positions. Then we will save the buy and sell quantity for all MIS positions to variables. Then we will check the condition whether buy quantity is greater than sell quantity. If this condition is satisfied, then we are in long position. We will place market sell order for the difference quantity to exit the position. Then we will check the condition whether sell quantity is greater than buy quantity. If this condition is satisfied, then we are in short position. We will place market buy order for the difference quantity to exit the position. We can schedule this Python script at 3:15 p.m. or any time before the Zerodha auto square off time to square off open intraday positions. The scheduling of the script can be done through Windows Task Scheduler or cron tab in Linux. Please subscribe to my channel for videos on how to schedule the Python scripts and live demo of this auto square off script.